Hi, this is Sherry Starnes, and I'm coming to you from a home in southeast Missouri. I have a decision to make today, and that is what caused me to go ahead and do this video, because I'm thinking that maybe other people are facing the same decision I am, and that is choosing a bank. First of all, let me tell you what is leading up to this. I have been with my current bank for approximately 30 plus years. And we are no longer going to, because of a buyout, and we all know how buyouts and things like that go with banks, so we are no longer going to have a service center in my hometown. So what does that mean? That means I will not have a place to deposit checks, or I won't have access to an ATM at my home bank. So I could totally switch my accounts and everything like that. But 90% of my transactions are done online anyway. So I prefer to go ahead and stay with the bank I've been with for 30 years, okay? I have no complaints at all. They're very accessible. Plus, like I said, at least 90% of my banking is done online. The decision that I'm going to have to make is I really need a place to cash a check or deposit a check, whichever the case may be, and have access to an ATM rather than getting cash back at Walmart or whatever. So what am I going to, what are my options? There are several very good local banks in this area, and what I intend to do is open a checking account and deposit a certain amount of money just to say that we have an account there. I'm not going to rely on that as my main bank. My main bank is still going to be where I bank now, and like I said, I don't want to transfer. Everything is set up automatic deposit, and bills are paid online and everything like that. I really don't want to switch all my accounts. So I need to choose a bank. Some of the things I want to consider in choosing a bank is there going to be a minimum balance required? What kind of fees are going to be involved? Are they going to charge you every time you use your ATM card or make a withdrawal? Are your checks going to be free? Is there going to be a limited amount of withdrawals you can make each month? Those are things that you need to consider as far as the fees. In my situation, another thing I want to consider is location. The convenience of the bank. Make sure that they do have a drive-up ATM. The banking hours, not that matters, because most of it will be done ATM anyway. But those are just a few things that are in my mind that I need to consider. And in my particular case, since that is not going to be my main bank anyway, if you're opening an account and going to have a primary bank, there are other things that you need to consider, such as, do they charge? How much are they going to charge you for non-sufficient funds? A lot of banks charge $25 for, non-sufficient funds. So, you might consider locking your accounts together, joining them together, so that if you have non-sufficient funds in one account, then, you have another account that can back it up. But like I said, that's not going to be my issue. But if you're watching this in my blog, then below I have several options, and several things that you need to consider when choosing a bank. If you're watching this on YouTube or whatever, my blog is sherrystarnes.com, so you can check out more information there. And another reason I need to make this decision today is my son is actually here for a visit. And when my husband and I open an account, we want to make sure that he is on that account. So I want him to be able to go with us, sign the signature cards, because if anything happens to us, I want him to have access to our money. I mean, he's on all of our other accounts at the other bank, or my main bank, so he needs to be on this account too. So that's just a few things I want you to consider. And you know, it is important to have someone else on your account, whether you're married or single or whatever. Having another person on there so that your money just doesn't go to waste or tied up in probate or whatever. When you get my age, you have to think of things like that. So anyway, just go ahead and go to SherryStarnes.com and read my blog, and there'll be more information on choosing a bank there. And I'll let you know. It may even be in my blog which bank I choose, because this is a local bank, and I mean, like I said, I have several options, 5 or 6 options, and I personally know someone at each bank. So, which one am I going to choose? Take a guess. I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.